Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today in our workshop we've got this Mercedes-Benz A45 AMG, and it's come in for an Armytrix exhaust system. Doesn't that sound awesome? But I think it's going to sound even better. So let's hand over to our technical guys and find out what this sounds like with the Armytrix exhaust fitted. The exhaust system we're fitting here from Armytrix is a valvetronic system, and that means that when you want the car to be a bit more reserved, a bit more constrained and quiet, you push a button and it can do that. Closing some valves reduces the noise from the exhaust. But then when you want to drive it a bit more enthusiastically, you want it to be a bit shouty, then pushing another button will do that. It opens the valves up and you create all the really exciting shouty noises from the back of the Mercedes. So the team have got the stock exhaust off of the A45, so now it's time that we get that Armytrix exhaust unpacked and fitted to this Mercedes. So we've unpacked the exhaust and the team are underway with the installation into the Mercedes. This high quality stainless steel exhaust should give our Mercedes an increase of 12.3 horsepower, 14.4 Newton meters of torque, and decrease the overall weight of the vehicle by 2.8 kilograms. That is not an insignificant weight loss. So the work's completed, but I think the best way to test it, scientifically of course, is to drive it. So, let's get out on the road. Where are them keys?